The Kali-Kalihan Harvest Festival of Don Salvador Benedicto is a must-experience festival. It showcases the diverse traditional and cultural heritage of the Negrenses through the street dances performed. Don Salvador Benedicto is considered the summer capital or the Little Baguio of Negros Occidental. This Harvest Festival features street dancing parade every month of February. It showed their cultural heritage, the art of Kali, otherwise known as arnis or eskrima, the traditional martial arts of the Filipino people since the 7th century.